Almost forgot to intro my own video. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. I am making something I saw on a subreddit, which is called Stupid Food. And it was, sorry I'm cooking while I'm doing this. It was biscuit and gravy pizza. And I thought, you know, I gotta make that. That just sounds really weird, but it also sounds good. So, sorry I'm not looking at the camera. I'm stirring my sausage. I don't want it to overcook. So I guess I'll just shut up and start cooking. This sounded really too weird to not make. So, I know it's supposed to be sweets this month, but I just couldn't help myself. It's requiring a lot of dishes, though. So, I'm still gonna make. I'm gonna make country gravy with the same pan. I think my sausage is all done. I'm still gonna put the biscuits together. So I need flour for my country gravy. I think I got too much flour. Darn it. I may need a whisk for this. I want smooth gravy. Turn the heat down. Alright, I think the gravy's done. Pretty good consistency. I need to hurry up and make biscuits. If you've not seen my yogurt biscuits video, I will link it below so you can go check it out. What did I do with it? I'm gonna cut my flour into the, or cut my butter into the flour. Have I been on? Oh, not really. Dang it. The downside of not being able to see the view screen, I just had it flip back. Oven's hot. Alright, probably cut in there enough. Add the yogurt. I got a full video on making these biscuits, so I'll make sure to link it. Alright, I'm going to get just a little bit of olive oil in the pan here. So it kind of lube up the hopefully the biscuit won't stick, because I don't want. Okay, so here I'm just putting the mix together, and I commented how much I enjoyed these biscuits. In fact, I make them all the time now. Decided to speed it up just for time. And there we go. Clearly I'm no pizza maker, but hey, you just gotta go with the flow sometimes. You know what I forgot to do is I forgot to test. Oh, good. I forgot to taste test the gravy for seasoning. Yeah. Smear this over the dough. And then I've got, you know what I was going to do? I was going to put the sausage on the in the gravy as well as on top, and I totally forgot to do that. Whoops. So let's get it all on there. Screw it. And then you got some, you see this okay? Got bacon bits. Alright. Alright, to clean up a little bit, but questionable practice, but I'm putting cheddar cheese on it. I can't imagine it not being good because I like, I'll eat cheddar cheese on my eggs while I eat my biscuits and gravy next to it. So let's get this sucker in the oven. 375 for 20 minutes. I also want to keep the gravy probably so I can use it for dipping. Well, let's get the, there we go. Alright, so we're down to 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And I feel like it would be more of a complete meal if I scrambled 2 eggs to go with it. Specifically, they will go on top. So, let's get a little unsalted butter here. Get my eggs in. Oh, and I forgot something that I always put in my eggs. Sorry for the camera legs are always in the way. I like black pepper in my eggs. Might as well keep it out. I'll probably put some right on top of the mix. 4 minutes left. We got 3:44 left. I'm a little anxious to see what this looks like. Oh, I don't think the biscuits are going to be done all the way. Well, they might be. It doesn't look very. Well, that's kind of a problem. I was thinking that maybe the I didn't factor in the fact that it's got toppings on it, even though all the stuff is cooked. So, yeah. Alright, well, timer just went off. So, you know what? God, it looks weird. Okay. I think it might be done. Maybe? The bottom feels done. I say we just cut it and see what happens. Actually, I want to get a picture. I gotta get a picture before I hack into it. Where's the knife I want? And of course, there we go. Found it. Let's do. Some of the toppings. Man, I tell you what, it smells phenomenal. So it's sausage, country gravy, bacon. You know what? It actually is cooked all the way through. Where am I pointing you guys? Alright, so we get the scrambled eggs as well. I thought about just putting them on top, but I figured I'll just put them on the side. And we got a... Let's taste it. Alright, there we go. I don't know if I can hold this and eat it, but we'll just use a fork. Biscuits and gravy pizza. Dude. Alright, so 2 words come to mind. Freaking delicious. Man, that's really good. With the yogurt biscuits and all. Made a really, actually really nice pizza crust. Wow. Yeah. Alright, I had to finish chewing, but I'm gonna go sit down and eat because this is, yeah, it's highly recommended. I would definitely make this again anytime because it's just awesome. Alright, well, I'll tell you what. That was way better than I expected. It was really good. I mean, I ate a little bit too much, so a bit of a food coma going on. Need to, but I'm going to bed soon. But man, that was really good, like I said. So anyway, don't forget to check the description below for Cast Iron Wednesday playlist. Also, Shove Ahead Age channel is down there as well. We'll catch you in the next one.